The databases within the FrontRunner system are intended to make your life easier as you build the databases, and when you're creating your records within the system, you can access the database information. So once it's entered once, you can access it at any time as you're creating the records, and it makes the process go much faster. To access your databases, you go to System Settings on the top right-hand side, and then Databases on the left menu. The number of databases contained within your system will depend on the type of system you have. All of those will be listed here. You can access them at any time. For demonstration purposes, let's go to Locations first. Whenever you create a new listing within a database, you always look for add at the top right. For this case, it's add location, but it can be add clergy, add charities, add cities, etc. Rather than add a location at this point, what we'll do is we'll open one of the existing listings within the locations database. All of this information is very relevant for your records. The location name, the street address. Once you have the street address, the city and the state or province, and obviously the country, then you can click on Test Map, and this will generate a Google map of this location. You could just exit out of there once you confirm that the information is correct. When you create a location within the database, you want to designate the type of location. So for this case, the funeral home will be for visitations and services. Once you make any changes, you can click on Save. To see how the records pull information from the database, we can open up a record. Any locations that have been designated for service would be listed here. If you need to add a new location, you would simply click on Add. A pop-up window will appear where you can add all the information like you did in the original database. You designate that location, as an example, click on Save. The new location will then become visible within the drop-down menu. Any new location that you create within a record will also be automatically added to the databases. So if you need to access it at any time to change the information, you would go back to System Settings, Databases, and open up that particular location profile to be able to make changes to it.